tight. Pretty tight, right tight. So after Chicago, we had problems with the car. Had some oil pressure issues. So instead of laying down and handing it around to one of my teammates, since we're not playing that, I just went ahead and brought Reaper to race it. Air is not affecting the car as bad as we thought because I turned the blower way up on it, making about 43 pounds of boost. Feeling pretty confident going into this first round. Racing Kye Kelley. Kye's never beat me. Now let's fill this bitch of fuel and pop it on the ground. Let's go make it hit.
If we won't, we can pull in the burnout box and start the clock, or give him time.
I'm gonna give him as long as he needs.
Give him time. We don't wait on it all you need.
If she's going to get the computer, he's gonna plug it up. It just didn't fire.
As soon as he plugs that laptop, it's either gonna fire or it's not. And if it doesn't fire, you guys roll.
What is happening is Kye Kelley, the great competitor he is, said, I don't want to win like that. I want to drive out of your life. So I'm gonna give you a couple minutes, get your car started. If you can get it started, we're racing. If you can't, we'll roll without you, so.
What's your running? Is the cam sync plugged in?
Yeah, I checked it.
Cam sync's not loose? All right, we're done.
My car can't breathe at home, much less a mile up ground. I still have a production engine. I'm probably the only guy here that still has a production engine. In 1970, you could have bought that car with a Pontiac 455, and it's a 30 over 455, you know what I mean? So it's tough to run with these guys.
Yeah, you guys put me straight, and then I'll figure it out.
This is weird. First round draw, I get none other than my buddy Chris Poncia. You know, my car's running pretty good, and I've been helping him with his tune-up stuff, and I know kind of what his car runs. It's going to be tough for him, but, you know, I hate to do it. Whenever we pull up to that line, doesn't matter who's next to me, I'm going for blood. It is what it is. Race is not over with yet, okay? If he gets me by a couple seconds, then...
A couple seconds? Well, I mean, that's, okay. I'll take a couple seconds if you want to give me. I'll take one. Just give me one. You want to get, if you're talking, you're offering up two, I'll take one. Definitely not the draw I want. Friend of mine, helps me out a lot. New car, haven't been in it a long time, been being rebuilt, so I got about 5 passes on this car going into this race.
I think we both cut pretty good lights. I don't know what the margin was at the end, but it was a really good, clean pass. Great data for the next run, and we're ready for round 2. This might not be the fastest car every single day, but that's what you got to outrun to be able to be competitive here.
Oh, well.
Number 7's got oil all over it. Number 1's kind of wet. We're gonna have to go to a different silicone around those bolts because that stuff's not sealing. So that oil is getting in the runner. Eventually, it's gonna cause enough detonation that we're not gonna have a motor left. So I drew B-Rad first round. Here in Colorado, we're at 8,200 feet.
We struggle. We don't suck. We struggle.
My turbo car just doesn't like it. There's not enough oxygen here, so B-Rad's definitely got a leg up on me on this one. All season long, I have gone out first round. The day I get past first round in this season is going to be a good day.
Like revving it up?
Yeah.
I think there's some timing or something in the grid or something up or crank trigger.
I heard you over there cleaning it out.
It wouldn't clean out. It was just going, and it just died.
Yeah.
So I said, I'm gonna go.
But you did it.
It took off, and I was like, well, hell yeah. My car's got something wrong. It's popping and banging. Won't even burn out. But got to the finish line first, and hey, yay, yay, we won. Yay, we're first round victors.
Well, we won this race here last year, so this is our race as far as I'm concerned. We drew Bobby, Ducati, first round. Guessing Bobby. I do feel very confident about the car, how it's running. There ain't nobody I'm scared of running today.
That was pretty bad. They kept going, one Mississippi 2, and then boom.
I saw how bad that light was, man. It messed my light up. But we got past Bobby. We actually made a very good run. We got some more data, and we're just going to keep on getting faster. The guys are in trouble. There ain't nothing worse racing someone that you know is going to jump. You don't know what to do.
You're welcome.
Here, I'll give you a little idea.
Okay.
It's got a clutch in it.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna be a car behind at the 60 and a car and a half at 330. How am I gonna make that up? You don't want to draw a nitrous car if you're a turbo car, because we are a mile off the ground, and especially my turbo car sucks in this air. I got Kelly Blue Ball. He's got a maroon Monte Carlo nitrous car and the sweetest haircut I've ever seen beside Monza. I've got 7 seconds to get in that second bolt. When you're going into a race with a nitrous car on the mountain, you know that if they light their top bulb first, if you don't get into the tree before they do, you're I see him light his top bolt. I start hitting the button. Bump, bump, bump. He's already in. And I'm like, oh my God. So I went into the first one, I snatched it, went to the floor, and I thought you were going right in. I was already starting to hit the button, and you didn't. And I was like,
I courtesied
I was
for
like,
you,
damn, he's gonna wait for me. What a nice. And I hit the bump, and I was like, well, I'm trying to get in. And then
I
it
wanted to
actually
run you
went
with
in.
what you had.
Dude,
you know?
thank you for that. Thank you.
And I want to...
Hey, but man, I looked over at 60 foot, and I was like, damn, it's over.